Here is exactly how to use Pixel API on your Shopify store. Even though we are not on the Shopify App Store yet, it takes about 2 minutes, no code. Step 1. In your Shopify admin, open Settings, then Apps and Sales Channels, then Develop Apps. Allow custom app development and create an app named Pixel API. Under Configuration, open Admin API Scopes, enable Read Products and Write Products, and save. Then open API Credentials, click Install App, and reveal your Admin API Access Token. It starts with SHPAT. Step 2. Go to pixelapi.dev/Shopify. Paste your store address and that token, and click Connect. Step 3. You land on your Pixel API dashboard. Click Process All Products, or switch on Auto Process, and Pixel API starts working through your catalog. That is it. Using only your token, Pixel API reads each product photo, removes the background, and writes the clean image straight back onto your products inside your store. Here is a real product, before and after. No app store, no developer, just your token, and your whole catalog is studio ready. Start at pixelapi.dev/Shopify.